Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm talking fall today, y'all. It is fall. I love this time of year. I love it when it's cool and crisp. And when I think of fall, for me, the first thing that comes to my mind is pumpkin. I mean, don't you think of pumpkin? I don't know. I know everybody doesn't like pumpkin, but I love anything pumpkin. So what I made today is pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Oh my goodness, these are so good. My mom made these when I was young. You wouldn't think that pumpkin would go with chocolate, but let me tell you, they are a delicious combination. So I'm excited to show you just how to make them. But before I show you how to make these delicious cookies, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm sharing delicious recipes every single week, and I do not want you to miss out on any of them. So if you hit that notification bell, you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this video. Now, let me go over all the ingredients that you will need to make your pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. So you are going to need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 cups of an all-purpose flour, a half a cup of a vegetable oil, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half of a teaspoon of salt, and then this I have combined 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract with 1 teaspoon of milk, and then I have a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So I have a large mixing bowl, and I'm going to combine my oil, my egg, and my sugar. And I'm just going to mix this with an electric mixer until it's all combined. Okay, then I'm going to add my pumpkin puree, and I'm also going to add my vanilla and milk. Okay, so next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my 1 teaspoon of baking soda to my flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to my flour, and also a half of a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just going to gradually add my flour mixture to my wet mixture. I'm just going to dump it all in. Okay, now I'm just going to take a rubber spatula and kind of scrape down the sides of my bowl. And next I'm going to dump in the chocolate chips. This cookie batter looks like Halloween, doesn't it? It's bright orange and with the dark chocolate chips. I actually forgot a very important ingredient, pumpkin pie spice. So I'm going to add it now, and I'm going to fold it in. It'll be okay. I would have ordinarily added it to my flour mixture. Better late than never, right? You can use ground cinnamon. I just like all the spices that are in pumpkin pie spice. I just think it gives the cookies such a good flavor. Okay, now I'm just going to take a cookie scoop and I'm going to scoop them onto a baking sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. Okay, now I'm going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for right around 10 to 12 minutes. What a beautiful plate of cookies. Just look at these pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Oh my goodness, they are so delicious. And I know that you are going to love them, especially if you love pumpkin. They are so soft and cakey on the inside. Oh. They just bring back so many memories. I can remember my mom making these when I was little. I really hope that you give them a try. So thank you so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day. And I will see you soon with more recipes.